Hey Crushers, how's it going? It is crucial to optimize and choose the right primary and additional categories. This makes a difference in your optimization strategy, and today in this video, I will give you 3 tips on how to make the right choice. Are you ready? Let's go. According to the Google Business Guidelines, you can select 1 primary category and 10 secondary categories for your Google business listing. The primary category is the one that the most weight in the Google algorithm. The secondary ones are fundamental in defining what the business is qualified for. Naming the right category for your Google listing is imperative. Google will reward businesses who are specific, and for this exact reason, you should avoid adding too many additional categories without understanding the mechanism behind it. Here's our top tips to apply to optimize your categories. The primary category. Before choosing your primary category, think about what your company specializes in and under which primary category your top 3 competitors are optimized. If you are a seasonal business, remember that you can always change your primary category in the winter and summer to maximize your visibility. The additional categories. From our research, it seems that Google never ranked companies in the top 3 that have the same combination of primary-secondary categories. For this reason, you have to find the right combination, a combination that is unique between primary and additional categories, that offers Google a valid search result that has reason to be ranked where it is, because it covers a specific need related to your business niche. The strategy. All content on your site and business posts must reflect your primary and additional categories. The GMB Crush audit feature will analyze the primary and the additional categories that Google rewards and serve you with the ideal combination of primary and additional categories you should go for. With GMB Crush, you can audit any Google business listing of your choice versus the top 3 competitors in a niche for a selected keyword, geolocation, and device type. Identify hidden SEO factors influencing the local 3-pack to unleash an optimized, shareable SEO plan in less than 5 minutes. At GMB Crush, we understand how difficult it can be for you to make the right choices to optimize your business list. For this reason, with a few clicks, you can use GMB Crush to audit, optimize, pitch clients, and track your Google business listing performances from just one platform. For more details about GMB Crush, please follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comment. Thank you for watching. See you on the other side.